डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस के ट्रांसलेशन के लिए मेरा इंग्लिश क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को दबा लें जिससे कि सारे वीडियोस आपको लगातार मिलते रहें। तुम्हें जो चाहिए चुन लो। चूज व्हाट यू वांट। चूज व्हाट यू वांट। हर चीज के दो पहलू होते हैं। There are two aspects of everything. There are two aspects of everything. तुम्हारी बातों में दम नहीं है। Your words don't have weight. Your words don't have weight. आप एक दिन में कितना पानी पीते हो? How much water do you drink in a day? How much water do you drink in a day? इतनी रात को कौन आया होगा? Who would have come in such a late night? Who would have come in such a late night? आपने कल शादी में क्या क्या खाया? What all did you eat in wedding yesterday? What all did you eat in wedding yesterday? क्या आपने कभी ताजमहल देखा है? Have you ever seen the Taj Mahal? Have you ever seen the Taj Mahal? मैं 2 दिन से बोल रहा हूँ। I have been telling you for 2 days. I have been telling you for 2 days. बैठे बैठे मेरे कमर में दर्द हो गया। My waist is hurting while sitting. My waist is hurting while sitting. तुम्हारा वहाँ मन नहीं लगेगा। You will not feel like there. You will not feel like there. अपने आप पर भरोसा रखो। Have faith in yourself. Have faith in yourself. मैं तुम्हें सिर्फ बताने आया था। I had come just to inform you. I had come just to inform you. वह अब कोई बच्चा नहीं रहा। He is not a kid anymore. He is not a kid anymore. उसे अपनी गलती का एहसास नहीं है। He does not realize his mistake. He does not realize his mistake. आप में इतना गुरूर क्यों है? Why is so vanity in you? Why is so vanity in you? यह मेरे बर्दाश्त से बाहर था। It was out of my tolerate. It was out of my tolerate. तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go? उससे लड़ना मेरे बस की बात नहीं है। Fighting with him is not my cup of tea. Fighting with him is not my cup of tea. इसमें हंसने वाली क्या बात है? What is there to laugh? What is there to laugh? मुझे थोड़ा अजीब लगा। I felt something strange. I felt something strange. आज तुमने मेरी लाज रख ली। You saved my prestige today. You saved my prestige today. एक कान से सुनो, दूसरे से निकाल दो। In at one ear and out at the other. In at one ear and out at the other. मैं तुम्हें कहीं का नहीं छोड़ूंगा। I will not spare you for anything. I will not spare you for anything. एक सड़ी मछली पूरे तालाब को गंदा कर देती है. A black sheep spoils the whole flock. A black sheep spoils the whole flock. उसे रोकने के बजाय तुम मुझे डांट रहे हो. You are scolding me rather than stopping him. You are scolding me rather than stopping him. मुझे क्या, जाना है तो जाओ. What to me? If you wanna go, then go. What to me? If you wanna go, then go. मैं तुम्हें पैसे नहीं दिलवा सकता. I can't get your money. I can't get your money. अब उसे क्या हो गया? Now what happened to her? Now what happened to her? मैं तो बस आपकी मदद करना चाहता था. I just wanted to help you. I just wanted to help you. अपने पैसे अपने पास रखो. Keep your money to yourself. Keep your money to yourself. किसी के बोलने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Nothing will happen by saying anyone. Nothing will happen by saying anyone. वह मुझे घर से निकाल दिया. He kicked me out of the house. He kicked me out of the house. लॉकडाउन के कारण ट्रेन बंद थी. The train was not running due to lockdown. The train was not running due to lockdown. यहाँ एक स्कूल हुआ करता था. There used to be a school here. There used to be a school here. तुम्हारे बगल में कौन था? Who was beside you? Who was beside you? सर आपकी बहुत तारीफ करते हैं. Sir speaks highly of you. Sir speaks highly of you. वह बहुत हट्टा कट्टा है. He is very hale and hearty. He is very hale and hearty. कैसा ज़माना आ गया है. How awful are the times. How awful are the times. तुम मेरी जिंदगी में विशेष इंसान हो. You are special person of my life. You are special person of my life. मैं रोज उससे फोन पर बात करता था. I used to talk to her on phone every day. I used to talk to her on phone every day. पैसा मेरे लिए मायने नहीं रखता. Money is nothing to me. Money is nothing to me. प्यार किया तो डरना क्या. Why be afraid of being in love? Why be afraid of being in love? आपके बोलने से क्या हो जाएगा. What will happen by your saying? What will happen by your saying? कुछ बातें नहीं बोली जाएं तो बेहतर है. It is better not to speak some matter. It's better not to speak some matter. मैं कल आपको बताना भूल गया था. I had forgotten to tell you yesterday. I had forgotten to tell you yesterday. तुम हमेशा इतनी जल्दी में क्यों रहते हो? Why do you always stay in such a hurry? Why do you always stay in such a hurry? आपको ऐसा करने की क्या ज़रूरत थी? What do you need to do so? What do you need to do so? आप बदले में मुझे क्या दोगे? What will give you me in return? What will give you me in return? तुम्हारे मुंह लगना ही बेकार है. It is useless to argue with you. It is useless to argue with you. जाओ जाकर अपना काम करो. Go and do your work. Go and do your work. मेरा पेन कहीं नहीं मिल रहा है. I can't find my pen anywhere. I can't find my pen anywhere. उसने कहा और आपने मान लिया. He said and you agreed. He said and you agreed. आपके पास अपना दिमाग नहीं है क्या? Don't you have your own brain? Don't you have your own brain? तुम हमेशा जिद क्यों करते हो? Why do you always insist? Why do you always insist? मैं उसके साथ नहीं जाऊंगा. I will not go with him. I will not go with him. अगर मुझे कुछ हो जाता तो? What if something had happened to me? What if something had happened to me? भगवान सबकी सुनते हैं. God listens to everyone. God listens to everyone.